Hi friends, welcome back to Simple Any Remedies. Today I will show the recipe of healthy oats biscuits. You need wheat flour 3/4 cup, oats powder 3/4 cup, sugar powder half a cup, baking soda half a teaspoon, milk 3 tablespoons, butter 6 tablespoons, cinnamon powder half a teaspoon. Take a large bowl and add wheat flour and oats powder, mix well. Next add baking soda, sugar powder, cinnamon powder, butter. Next add milk and mix well. Next take a small portion of this mixture and with the help of chapati roller and a round glass make biscuit shape. And place this in a baking tray. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 16 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. If you don't have oven, then remove the vessel and preheat the cooker on medium flame for 5 minutes. After preheating, cook the biscuits for 18 minutes on medium-low flame. If you want to know the cooker procedure, please do watch my previous video so that you will get an idea. Our healthy and tasty oats biscuits are ready. Enjoy! If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.